Hi everyone, I am Josh Bradley Bibera from Grade G Cyprus. I'm going to vlog the 4 beautiful places to explore and visit in the heart of Metro Manila. Art Island Cubao. Art in Island is a unique and immersive art museum located in the heart of Cubao, Quezon City. In this blog post, I'll share the amazing world of interactive art, where visitor became integral part of exhibits. Join me on a journey through the vibrant strokes and captivating illusions that make Art in Island a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Embark on a visual journey as you wander through different worlds created by talented artists. Art in Island is a paradise of creative possibilities. The 3D art installations provide a unique backdrop for capturing memorable moments. Don't be shy to strike a pose, interact for the art, and let your creativity flow. The museum encourages visitors to be the photographers and subjects simulated newly. Mind Museum, in the heart of Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, lies a treasure trove of knowledge and wonder, the Mind Museum. Join us on a captivating journey as we explore the marvels that await within its walls and hunt into the fascinating realms of science and discovery. The Mind Museum, one of the famous science museums in the Philippines, is a beacon of knowledge and inspiration. Boasting 5 interconnected galleries, this world-class science museum invites visitors to embark on an immersive experience that unravels the wonder of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vastness of outer space. As you step out of the Mind Museum, you'll carry with you not just memories of a day well spent, but a newfound appreciation for the appreciation for the wonders that surround us. Whether you're a scientist, enthusiast, a parent looking for an educational outing, or simply someone seeking inspiration, the Mind Museum in Bonifacio Global City is a gateway to knowledge and discovery that promise to leave a lasting impact on your mind and soul. Embark on this enlightening adventure and let the wonders of science unfold before your very eyes. Museo El Deposito. Museo El Deposito is a history museum located in San Juan, Metro Manila. The museum is situated within the grounds of Pinaglabanan Shrine and feature the Carriedo water system, including the El Deposito underwater reservoir. Travel back in time when you visit this historically significant site. El Deposito is one of the oldest underground reservoirs in the world. It was built in 1882 to supply water to Manila's residents. During the American and Japanese occupations, it was used as an armory and, in later years, as a sanatorium for tuberculosis patients, with El Deposito playing a significant role in our history, from Spanish era to the Japanese occupation. Visiting sites like this remind us of the sacrifice our ancestors made for our freedom. Museo ng Katipunan. The two-story Museo ng Katipunan, a history museum dedicated to Andres Bonifacio and the Katipunan. It's situated within the grounds of the Pinaglabanan Shrine, San Juan City. Opened as the Museo ng Revolusyon on August 30, 1996. During the centennial of the Battle of Pinaglabanan, the museum, prior to 2006, mainly featured the Battle of Pinaglabanan and had pictures, cutouts, and busts of Andres Bonifacio, Emilio Jacinto, and Apolinario Mabini as exhibits. The museum includes archival documents such as cedulas, oaths, membership forms, cryptic message as well as medals, and bladed weapons used by the Katipunan. The Museo ng Katipunan provides an educational approach to understand the Katipunan, its primary movers, and their actions. Apart from Andres Bonifacio, Emilio Jacinto, and other its primary movers, renowned revolutionaries, the museum also honors through a memorial wall the valiant efforts of the Katipuneros who fought for the independence of the Philippines.